Gold and silver time. Let's get straight into it. Do not place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video today, because trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss. There are so many areas you need to become good at to become a good trader. Emotional mastery, chart reading, trading systems, money and trade management. So this video is just educational only to help you become a much better trader. Alrighty, so it's gold and silver time. So we're gonna have a look at the obviously all the markets. Let's go over to my other timeline. And let me show you what I'm seeing here, guys. It's very, very, very interesting. It's like, oh, you can see that this market is obviously broken out of this triangle pattern, and we're just continuing to hold that level through there. We did break out, nice sort of fault, nice sort of breakout. We're just going sideways now, guys. But look where the stochastics are. They're racing right up. And I was mentioning this yesterday. It's like, oh, I don't know, guys. That's actually. It's actually really interesting to see that through there, and you have this overall area of resistance where we are right now, where the market's having a lot of problems, but it's compressing up and compressing up. You can see it's hitting resistance, and this is support. I would like to see this compress up and then go bam, out of here, see ya. That's what I would like it to do, but but you can see the stochastics are running right up there. So really, really, really interesting. We have been in silver, we've been compressing up and compressing up and compressing up into this level through here, and obviously we've been squeezing up, squeezing up, squeezing up. What we want to see is we're probably likely to get a bit of a down day tomorrow. We don't want too much of a down day, and then we want to break out. If that happens, guys, and it closes there, oh my goodness, that is such a bullish sign. We get that. If we get that on the markets, right? Man, I get so excited, don't I? Love it. We have this trough here, and let me explain something here. This is something I've studied time and time again. It's actually one of my trading systems, like the trade. We have a high trough, it's compressing up. We have this peak, it's compressing up. We have this high trough, and the market drops down and creates this little, just drops down and creates this little high trough, and then breaks out. And if we get a breakout like that, and this sort of formation happens, guys, and we get sort of this sort of action on the volume, what's that one? Oh, cool. So we get this sort of action, and the volume does that, like really spikes out, and the breakout, guys, that is such a bullish sign. We're talking like 80% of the time, and it just does this. So that's actually what we want to see on silver. That's what I want to see on silver, right? And if we think silver's just going to keep blasting up and just take off, if we think silver's going to blast off and actually just absolutely take off again, we're talking like, what is that? That's from down there around, say, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, around 21. So what is that? $1, $2, $3, $4. So it's probably around the 25, 26 level. That's where, if the market does that, that's where I'll have a target of, say, 25, 26 on silver. That's what I'm seeing there, guys, on the short-term charts. The long-term charts for me, guys, are still holding really nice and strong through there. As you can see, this hot, overall weekly line, which is just such a beautiful, beautiful line. Look at that. Just compressing right up, right up. So you can see that we definitely have a short-term target. Looks like the short-term target is, say, 2050 up here. But yeah, that's basically what's going on through there. You can see, guys, once it actually breaks past here, we then basically 26 is, you've got this 26 target up here. 26 to basically the 26 target, guys, is definitely in the sights. Once it breaks this 22 level, guys, then we have a good sort of 20% move to the high side up to 26. If that happens, come on down if the price is right. So, but it's definitely a beautiful charting formation, definitely pushing up highs. So really, really, really nice through there. So let's go have a look at the GLD. No, the gold, should I say? Gold chart, guys. Same with the markets. You know, is this going to be forming a head and shoulder formation? So we're in this big overall head and shoulder formation. Let me actually explain what I said there, because we actually need this thing to continue to run up, and I was saying this before, but this left here, this actually could be a head. Look at the stochastics here. We actually could turn around and get a thump back down towards this 1300 level. Very, very, very interesting to see what's happening here with gold than silver. You can see what's happening here with the actual gold price. You can see that's actually what's happening through there as well too. So you're getting this sort of compressing up action as well too, pushing higher, pushing higher, pushing higher. We break up, and we're trying to break higher right now as we speak. So we need this thing to continue run up. We don't want to turn this. We don't want to get this thing into a head and shoulder formation. We need this thing to continue running up and running up. If you're in the gold market. So looking on the gold market now, looking on the weekly charts, what do we see here on the weekly charts? We actually see, if the weekly chart's going to come up, there we go. Cool. So on the weekly charts, we can see we got that sort of formation. If I draw a trend line, and let me draw this trend line from there. Let me just bring this up from there to there. You sort of got this trend line going on through there to there, guys. You can see that's what's going on. Sort of held it there, and now we're sort of trying to compress up and just continue to move up to the high side. So very, very nice pattern. We really haven't exploded. We haven't really absolutely exploded yet. We're just slowly crawling up. You haven't got any real big movement. But if we do break the 1400 level, guys, you can see from the 1400 to the 1550, which is like what? Which is like a 10% move. We actually have that's probably going to happen real quick, real quick. And that's what I do see, guys, on the overall weekly charts on the gold. And there's your silver and gold update. Remember, success can be yours if you got clever. So step up, take massive action, and face your fears. I'm not going to BS you here. Trading is hard. Over my 10 years of trading, I've learned some amazing systems and strategies, and I've put it all in my brand new Grab the Markets by the Balls course. And I'm giving you 100% free access. This whole course is 12 videos long and almost 10 hours of the best systems and strategies that I know. Click on the image below now to get 100% free access right now.